What's up, fam? It's your girl Shereen Nicole, back with another review. So in today's review, we're gonna be talking about this iPhone. Well, it's an i product. Not iPhone, but the AirPods. You clearly know your girl ain't got a pair, okay? So I got these from my daughter. Shh, this is a surprise. So let's go ahead and jump right in. She's gonna be so thrilled. I mean, she's not a little kid, but I treat her like she is. You know, no matter how old your child gets, they're always going to be a child in your eyes. So with that being said, she has AirPods, and I know she does. And I said, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get her this case. So hopefully this is the right case for her AirPods. Right, so it is a Mickey Mouse, and I just think it's super cute, y'all. I really gotta get up with the times. It's amazing how I have an iPhone, but don't have AirPods. Like, what? So this is it right here. Look at this cute little keychain. I know that this is not the case. We're gonna get to that. But look at this. Y'all, this is so cute. This is a perfect gift. Oh my goodness, for anyone. So I'm absolutely here for this. I absolutely love it. And it says a beautiful name. Oh, so cute. Yes. So your name is beautiful, honey. Okay, just know that. I'm pretty sure you could probably put your name on there, maybe if you ask whoever it is that sells this, but I'm in love with it. I'm in love with that piece. So here is the case right here. And once again, like I said, I can't really show you because I don't have AirPods, but my daughter does, and I know she's gonna love it. So cute. I'm always getting her little cases and stuff like that. And she's probably like, Mom, what is wrong with you? So yes, y'all, it will go on top like so. I'm trying to get it so it could be one cohesive thing. There you go. Look how cute. So of course your AirPods is going to be sitting a little bit above it like that, and that's just so cute. And then it also comes with the keychain, which you put on the side. So as you can see, it's closed up right now. You see that right there? So you just poke it and it'll go right through, and then you loop it. Let me show you. Get a little nail action in there. Come on, nail. So once that's poked through, you just squeeze this through. So you see that right there? And then you just go and loop it around the whole ring, and that's your knot. And now it's secure, baby. It ain't going nowhere. Absolutely love it. So the next thing that it comes with is this. So this is the little cleaner or whatever for your AirPods. So right here, you have the little sponge detail. You also have the tip. And then you have this piece right here, which I absolutely love. So this is to clean out. I'm trying to see how to explain it. Let me get my earphones so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm back. So this is my Samsung case. I'm gonna show you guys what this little piece does right here. Ooh, hopefully it doesn't connect. But I'm just gonna show you like this, okay? Because I think if I take the earphones out, it's going to connect to the phone and then you won't hear a word I'm saying. So right here is what you wanna use. You would rub this in there and take out any gunk or residue and stuff like that. And then right here, this piece is what you're going to use inside of the actual earpiece. So you know the round bud that it comes with? You can pop that off, or you can leave it on and just get any crud out, because you know, y'all got earwax, okay? We all got earwax, okay? And then the little brush, you can just brush away. Let me get closer. You can use that to scrub away any excess debris and stuff like that that's going on in the earphone. So once you take off the spongy earbud part, then you can go ahead and scrub it. So I hope this helped. And I just think it's so, so cute, y'all. So I'll see you guys in my next review. Bye.